Hi, my name is Tare, and I'm going to show you how I maintain a nice beard. As my beard is quite long and thick, I like to use the afro pick to detangle it first. Then I use beard cleansing shampoo to keep it very nice and healthy, and I'll probably wash it 1 to 2 times a week. It's really important for me to look after my beard and condition it. I'll recommend using Nourishing premium beard oil. I really like to condition my beard, and just to give it that fuller look, I just use my fingertips and I just rub it through. As my beard is quite fluffy right now, to help create shape and hold, I'll recommend using TONI&GUY's Beard Balm. Beard Balm consists of butters, which actually gives weight to your beard, and it helps maintain a good shape, whilst it also moisturizes it. I'm just going to use my palms to apply this. That was quite a lot in it. I pulled that as well. I thought this is too much. I would use the wide tooth comb to make sure the product is evenly spread.